is where we're shooting, but we gotta wait for it to get dark. Cool spot, Quants.
This is what the back of a makeshift gear truck looks like.
That'll do. This is what it looks like in the daytime. The key on a shoot like this is to not get your feet wet before the shoot actually happens. Because like when you're shooting with wet feet, like you're on borrowed time. If I ever make it big, I'm gonna have an assistant that is dedicated to just bringing me fresh socks and shoes. Like, you know, couple extra sets all throughout the day, just in case I need them. It is windy and rad. I'm not sure about audio on the whole thing, but just get some sick B-roll then. I am testing a mic.
No, this is all good. This is case stuff. Thank you.
This county,
Yeah. Went great, shooting great. Thanks so much for being here. See you tomorrow.